back there. Oh, I'm missing all the lightning. It's so unpredictable. So, there you have it. That's a pretty nasty one. Now, introduce you to a little family. Meet Stella. Yeah, hey Stella Boo. She's gonna come up and say hi. Stella Boo's a puppy. She doesn't understand what I'm doing. She's about 7 months old and as big as a barn. Over here we have the birdies, Taco and Salsa. And in here we have, well, the rescue kitties. Alrighty, here we go. This one is Mugen, and that's Jinx. Mugen lost her voice for a bit. We found them. They were very sick little kitties. Yes. Hello, Jinx. Also Jingen. And Mugen is also Mew Mew. Because that's what she does. Oh, I'm being... There we go. I am a playground. And these two can be very noisy. Yep, very, very noisy kitties. Ah, I took them away. And back again. Yep, kitties. Huh. Hey guys. Hey Stella, is it your little buddy? Is that Mugen? Hi Mugen. Hi Mugen. Mugen loves Stella. What's your little buddy up to? What's your little buddy up to? You happy dopey puppy. Who's a city boo? There's Jinx. Hey. You hungry, Boo? You hungry? You be a good girl. Remember your manners. You hungry, Boo? You want it? You want it? You do, don't you? Get it! That's my good Boo. To see here. Yeah. Choo-choo toy. Drop it. Good girl. Yeah, go get it. Good girl. Drop it. Good girl. Drop. Oh, good, Stella. Yeah, drop it. Drop it, Boo. What a good girl. Oh, what a good girl. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Yeah, it's too hot out here for you. Hey, keep away from that. Ooh, he's pretty. You so pretty. Stella. Porch. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Yeah, I know it's hot, but come on. Down. Down, Stella. Down. Down. She's like, why are you making me do it? It's too hot up here. Alright, it's hot concrete. Up.